Namaste, I am VP Kulkarni, TGT Maths from PMC School, Jenni Dharashiv. Today, the topic that I have chosen is Celebrating Festival with Maths, an art integrated pedagogy.
Shruti Shahaji Jadhav. I am studying in class 8A. I am from PMC School, Jahanode Vidyalaya, Tuljapur. This is my project. My project name is Celebrating Festivals through Mathematical Lens. To prepare this project, I was guided by KULKARNI sir and Basavaraj sir.
I am Basavaraj from JNV Dharashi, art teacher. In collaboration with VV Kulkarni sir and Shruti Jadhav, we have prepared this project. Folk art of Warli. Theme is Celebrating Festivals.
Hello friends, I am VV Kulkarni, TGT Maths from JNV Dharashiv. When we speak of maths and arts, we actually feel that they are two different subjects. But when it comes to early art, they are a perfect combination of maths and art. Now, in my today's art integrated activity project, we are going to see how we can celebrate festival in a mathematical lens or celebration of festivals mathematically. I am going to take the topic Warli art. Actually, let us see what is that Warli art, how that name Warli art has come. A little bit of historical background we'll see. Warli art is actually originated from Maharashtra. It's a tribal art of Maharashtra. It comprises of perfect mathematical shapes like circles, triangles, and also symmetrical shapes. So all these together make a Warli art. It's not that Warli art is drawn only for aesthetic sense. The mathematical shapes that are present in Warli art actually shows some real life things. For example, circle represents the sun and moon. The triangles represents the trees and the mountains. So, the mathematical symbols in Warli art with a real life situation. Picture shows celebration of festival through Warli art. Now, when you see this picture here, in the center you can see this blue colored picture. It represents a hemisphere. Again, the picture of a man beating the drum. Here, triangle is there, circle is there, and a man is trying to beat the drum. And the hands are indicated by the lines. The decorative part also, you can see aesthetic part also, it is decorated through hemisphere. The construction of leaves also, it represents triangles here. So they are made up of triangular, geometrical shapes are there, and so beautifully and symmetrically they are kept here. If you draw a straight line here, definitely I can tell you that you will get a symmetrical figure. So this is maths involved while celebrating the festival. If you go through this white colored picture, again a picture of human being is shown here. You can see here triangles are there and it is surmounted by a circle. Again the hands are indicated with the help of the lines. Again the legs are indicated with the help of rectangular shape is there, and it is beautifully it is decorated around the picture. Again the decoration is done with the rhombus shaped mirrors are there, and again you can see here beautiful mathematical flowers are present at the corners. So again if you go across the outer border here, a red colored triangles are there, and the red colored triangles are separated by rectangular pieces of paper. So it's a perfect example of integration of maths and also celebration of festival. So we can say that it is a combo. Celebration of festival and learning of mathematics can be done with the help of Warli art. Thus, we can conclude that Warli art is not only a folk art, but it is a perfect example for the students to learn India's cultural heritage, to learn mathematics through India's cultural heritage. They also appreciate the India's cultural heritage, and it's a perfect example of how maths can be taught or maths can be learned through art integrated activity. The 21st century skills like creativity, critical thinking, communication, cultural awareness, and also collaboration can be inculcated in the children while teaching and learning through Warli art. Warli art perfectly aligns with NEP 2020. It emphasizes on integration of art and culture, promoting Indian heritage, and also it encourages creativity and innovation.